और चलिए सीधा आपको लिए चलते हैं दिल्ली, जहां पर कोरोना वैक्सीन को लेकर डीसीजीआई इस वक्त प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहा है।
Vaccinated across the country and the vaccine has been found to be safe as per the data available till date. The subject expert committee has reviewed the data on safety and immunogenicity of the vaccine and recommended for grant of permission for restricted use in emergency situation in public interest as an abundant precaution in clinical trial mode to have more options for vaccinations, especially in case of infection by mutant strain. The clinical trial ongoing within the country by the firm will continue. The Cadila Healthcare Limited has developed a novel coronavirus 2019 nCoV vaccine using DNA platform. The firm initiated phase 1/phase 2 clinical trial in India in more than 1,000 participants, which is ongoing. The interim data suggests that the vaccine is safe and immunogenic with 3 doses when administered intradermally. Accordingly, firm has sought permission to conduct further phase 3 clinical trial in 26,000 Indian participants, which has been recommended by subject expert committee. Messrs Serum and Messrs Bharat Biotech vaccines have to be administered in 2 doses. All the 3 vaccines have to be stored at 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. After adequate examination, the CDSCO has decided to accept the recommendations of the expert committee, and accordingly vaccines of Messrs Serum and Bharat Biotech are being approved for restricted use in emergency situation, and permission is being granted to Messrs Cadila Healthcare for conduct of phase 3 clinical trial in India. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Friends, please just listen. This statement is being circulated to you. It is also getting uploaded on the PIB website. So please use it. Thank you very much. Statement is over.
रहे थे डीसीजीआई इस वक्त प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहा था कोरोना वैक्सीन को लेकर, और इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में स्थिति क्लियर हो गई है। आपको बता दें कि एक्सपर्ट कमेटी ने 2 वैक्सीन के इमरजेंसी इस्तेमाल की बात कही थी, रिपोर्ट में दी थी, और उन वैक्सीन को मंजूरी दे दी गई है। कोवैक्सीन, इसके साथ ही कोविशील्ड, इन 2 वैक्सीन के इस्तेमाल को इमरजेंसी हालात में मंजूरी दे दी गई है।